It's another busy morning here at HSG Laser North America. Every day, we're here to make sure our customers get the fastest and most reliable support possible. From troubleshooting to planning big events like FABTECH, our team works together to make things happen. And today, it's not just any call.
We're heading straight to Chicago. The team is setting up the booth for FABTECH 2025. That's one of the biggest shows in the industry in 2025.
This is where it all comes together. Months of planning, countless meetings, and a lot of hard work. Our 4-in-1 smart manufacturing solution is finally here. Cutting, bending, welding, and automation, all working seamlessly together. We're not just showing machines, we're showing a smarter, more connected future for manufacturing.
Join us at McCormick Place, Booth A3592. Experience the future of manufacturing with HSG Laser. See you at FABTECH 2025.